Welcome, my dear students in Prep 3. Today we will learn the set of zeros of a polynomial function. We want to know what do we mean by the set of zeros and how can we get the set of zeros of a polynomial function. We studied before the polynomial function. Today we want to know what do we mean by the set of zeros of the polynomial function. The set of zeros of a polynomial function means the set of values of x which makes a polynomial function f of x equals 0. It's denoted by z of f. Z of f, it means the set of zeros of the polynomial function f. So z of f is the solution set of f of x equals 0. The solution set in R, okay? So f is denoted by, or the function is denoted by f. F of x means the rule of the function of x by this function f. Z of f means the set of zeros of the equation f of x equals 0. Here, for example, find z of k. It means find the set of zeros of the function k. If the function k equals 7, what is the set of zeros of the function k? As you can notice, there is no number you put instead of x to get 0 because this is a constant function. K of x is always 7. It's never equals to 0. So in this case, z of k, or the set of zeros of k, equals 5. Why? Because this is a constant function and k of x always equals to 7. Here, for example, if k of x equals 0, it means that k of x always equals to 0. So all the numbers or the real number can be a solution of k of x equals 0. So here the set of zeros of the function k equals r, all the real numbers. K of x equals x power 2 minus 2x. In this case, I want k z of x. It means I write k of x equals 0 and I'll calculate the values of x. X power 2 minus 2x. I write x power 2 minus 2x equals 0. Here we have a common factor x. So x multiply x minus 2 equals 0. It means that x equals 0 or x equals 2. So z of k equals 0 and 2. The solution of the two equations, x equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So z of k here equals 0 and 2. X power 2 minus 81. By the same way, I write k of x equals 0 and I solve the equation x power 2 minus 81 equals 0. It means x power 2 equals 81 by taking the square root for both sides, so x equals positive or negative 9. So z of k equals negative 9 and positive 9. X power 3 plus 27. By the same way, I want to get z of k. It means the set of zeros of function k. So I write k of x equals 0. X power 3 plus 27 equals 0. It means x equals negative 27 by taking the cube root of both sides. X equals negative 3. So z of k equals negative 3. Another one, x power 2 minus 8x plus 12. By the same way, k of x equals 0. It means x power 2 minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, trinomial. I can factorize it. X power 2 equals x multiply x. 12 equals 6 multiply 2. And negative 2 plus negative 6 equals negative 8. So we have two equations, x minus 6 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. in this case x equals 6 or x equals 2. So z of k equals 2 or 6. Okay, that's all about our session today. Today we learned how to get the set of zeros of a polynomial function. Next session we will study algebraic fractional functions. Thank you very much for watching. See you next session and goodbye.